Hi, Scorpio. Welcome to my channel. What the heck is those clues? Okay. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Here, if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you. Moe'smoon Tarot. Okay, Scorpio. Look like you've been waiting for something here, or someone's waiting for you to open up, and they a little bit heartbroken about it. They're waiting to get your attention or waiting to move forward with you here. This could even be a job for some of you. 3 of Swords, and it hurts. It hurts that they have to wait, or this could be you. All right, you got the 9 of Pentacles here, material harvest. Moving on. Prosperity begins. So for some of you, when it comes to your job, you might be moving from one position to another here that's very stable. You got the Tower and spiritual strength here. So some of you realize that you want something that you're more connected to, I feel, with the spiritual strength card and this disruption. I heard you don't want nobody to disrupt your peace here too as well. I feel like some of you just don't want to be stuck in anything here when it comes to a relationship. It's like you just want to go with the flow, be friends with someone. Don't like that. I'm looking at my dog. Fucking shit up. Alright. What is this waiting game for Scorpio? Maybe you can tell some. Let's see. 9 of Wands. Someone's tired of waiting for something. 9 of Swords. You got 2 9s. Yeah, they're tired of waiting. They worried that they're gonna have to wait. This could be you. I don't know what you're waiting on here. But I feel like whatever this is, in time, it will come. Here. It's just going to take a while, a little time to grow for some of you. Leave that alone. That's not the dirt. What's this? Okay. A connection. Stop it. Get over here. Oh, stay right there. It's a connection. Somebody's worried that they're going to have to wait. Maybe to have sex, to get a victory out of you, or something like that. Get off of me. Stop. What is this? Recognition and reward. 5 of Cups and a Star. Yeah, they hoping for you. Stop. This could even be financially too for some of you. Stop it. Get over here. No. Yeah, they hoping here to heal something. Could be an Aquarius here that feels left out in the cold from you. Or Earth sign, Taurus. Somebody's wishing to heal. They're mad they gotta wait. Okay, what's the Three of Swords? Two of Pentacles, not sure. Not sure something's gonna work out here. For some of you, I think this person just wants sex for some of you. So just, if you don't want to, or it could go the other way around. Maybe you want sex. I know Scorpio energy well. Let's see. Yeah, they want it bad too. What you do to this person? They completely focus on you. Could be an earth sign for some of you. Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo. I think for some of you, you work hard too. You might be balancing out your work life a lot here. Maybe that's why you don't have time, or you feel like you don't have time. What's this material harvest? King of Pentacles, a job here. For some of you, this could be your partner. But I feel like some of you got like a business, or some of you got your own business. Some of you are working here. What's this? Queen of Cups. Yeah, you working here. You just don't have time. Or you feel like you don't have time. Some of you for some of you did something by yourself here. And I feel like it's growing, and it might catch you by surprise here. What's this? Some of you might meet someone at work too. Temperance, yeah. Balance, harmony here. Could be a Sagittarius here. Let's see. Yeah, some change. But it's a good change. Some of you just have to have patience with something here. I think that's for some of you that when it comes to a work situation, if it's something spiritual that you're doing or something online you're worried about, if you're able to connect, I feel like you will. It's just gonna take a little bit of time here. Stop. Shit. If you keep biting my back. 6. You coming into balance here. I feel like it's gonna be something that you realize though. It's gonna have to balance things out. What's this moving on? The sun. Just something that makes you happy here. Could be in this season. A lot of things are opening up this season in the Lion's Gate, right? Page of Cups. Some of you might get an offer from a Leo, and you might be moving on from that. Yeah, I feel like a Leo want your attention for some of you. They find you to be very attractive as well. Seven of Swords. But I feel like you might run away from this for some of you with the Seven of Swords. not wanting it here. I feel like it could be very stable, but you running away from it. Could be with any sign, y'all. I got Gemini here with this Seven of Swords, or yeah. Some of you just want to keep your options open here. You're running away from options. For some of you, you might already be in a stable relationship too, as well as what I see with that King of Pentacles. You might be married. So of course you're gonna run away if you're married, right? Yeah, I feel like you're gonna get a whole lot of attention coming your way here. Now this is something about work. Stop running away from work. Have this new beginning with your business. If it's something that you're trying to manifest, try not to overthink it or think about it a lot with that Seven of Swords being like, it's not going to come and it's not going to be able to work out. I feel like it will in due time. Yeah, because once you move on from something, I got a 6 here and a 6 here, then things are going to start opening up. You're going to get a whole lot of attention, recognition here. It might happen overnight for some of you. With that 1 going into that 6, that makes it 7. That's completion. Let's see. Congratulations, you know. Yeah, 8 of Swords, yeah. For some of you, don't want to be bound in a situation here. I think that's more in a relationship, though. Yeah, that's more in a relationship. For others of you, if you was worried about some type of victory, success with this number 8, things are going to start shifting and turning around in your favor here. The Hermit, yeah. Just don't think about it. I feel like a lot of you are very wise here. Might be very spiritual too, because I got spiritual strength. You go within. Some of you, if you've been having a problem going within, trying to get connected, I feel like with this tower, it's going to break down and you're going to get the answer that you need. Here. You might got Virgo in your chart. I'm not sure. Don't have to. Yeah. You're going to get a solution. This might be something you might be doing creative here too as well. There's going to be a solution to this problem with this Empress. The Empress means growth, creativity, abundance. So you will be okay. What is the spiritual strength? Yeah, 9 of Pentacles. So if you've been thinking about money or if money been affected, you got 9 of Pentacles twice. You're going to be okay. You all right, independent. Sure. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. If this has something to do with your intuition, you can do it. Here. I feel like some of you are working on some type of project. I don't know if it's spiritual. It could be. Don't have to be. But you're following your intuition. You're very much connected onto whatever this is. And I feel like it's growing. Yeah, it's growing. It's coming in. You're going to be able to get the answers here through spirit here. All right, that's what I have. You might have a air sign, or this might be you reaching out. I feel like somebody trying to reach out to you and communicate something to you, offer something to you. Knight of Cups, wanting a relationship here. Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Okay. This was someone who betrayed you here. Or backstab you. Could be a friend, could be anybody, right? But now you get a new start here in some type of way. And I feel like it's going to be very abundant here. Okay. Alright, that's what I have for you. This was short. I don't want to leave so early, but I got to. I'm not getting anything else. Please like, subscribe, all that good shit. And